So we get out, wasn't planning on a session, it was sort of just happened over the last day or so. So we're out, me, Kelsey and the two kids are out, so just after getting set up. So let's get them proper fed before we get fishing. Our rods are out, but stop start since we got here, so I get everybody fed and then everyone can leave me alone. So yeah, get dinner in before it gets dark. So it's been really quiet last night and this morning. So I've had 3 fish this morning, 3 little ones this morning. That's about all. And the way the fuck is when you float all the way over there. So yeah, I'm gonna give it till about maybe 10 o'clock now. It's about 20 past 8 now, so I'm gonna give it till 10 o'clock. And maybe move to another lake. So we'll see what happens. So we changed lake. We're on a different one. Danger spawning, so they could be off the list today. But hoping for no pike or something today, because had a few the last time we were here as well. So that's the target for now. Dusking. So we moved again. It was quiet on the other lake, so moved again to another lake, and it's been busy from the first that we got here. So yeah, we've had a couple of rods so far already, and then I had a fish on, and then a pike came and smashed it. I'm using barbless hooks. I didn't realise that they were barbless, and yeah, the pike came and smashed it, so he ended up getting off now. But it's been busy so far.